Oh hey, I know you guys may be wondering why I'm laying on a pile of clothes while reading my Bible. Well, it all kind of started like this. One day I was reading my Bible and I randomly got a call. Hello? It's time. I instantly knew what to do. I proceeded to throw all my immodest clothes in the trash and brought in some new inventory. Now that we got that out the way, my name is Money and this is... Now you may be wondering, out of all people, why God chose me. Well, some time ago, your girl used to be a fashion stylist. You know, styling all these people. Yeah, good times. But that's not me no more. My main goal is to teach people how to dress modest and still be fashionable. The outfits I give you are my type of ideas of modest fashion. But we're going to spice it up. Now the topic for the day is sweaters. Now, I love sweaters. Love is a big word for that. Sweater. I like sweaters. Sweaters are pretty cool. I like them because I know you have to get to wear them during the winter time. I am a summer and springs person, but winter is a pretty much good time to shine. I'm not gonna lie. That's where the best dresses step out. My fashion girlies know the best steppers step out in the winter time. In the summer. Now I want to give you guys a PSA. Your girl is apostolic. Not only that I'm apostolic, that is why I wear the skirt, but I just like wearing skirts. So most of these outfits I give you and ideas and looks I give you, they involve skirts, hard dresses, but these outfits I give you, they're going to be involving skirts. So now you like, girl, I don't like skirts. I only like pants. Imagine that these are pants, maybe. That's what you should kind of do, but these are skirts. Long skirts. Okay, take it or leave it. However, I am done rambling. Let's get into these looks. The first look we have is a pink sweater with a yellow skirt and some white boots. I would definitely say I love the two textures that it shows and how it basically complements each other. Topped it with some earrings. Look number 2 is definitely one of my favorite looks. I decided to lay it with a white skirt and a jean skirt, and it definitely came out bon appetit. Now you know we gotta talk about the details on the collar, and we gotta talk about the jewelry and the purse. Now this look right here, I'm definitely showing y'all color blocking, but with different textiles. So as you see in the skirt, it has a lot of colors, and use the blue and use some yellow into it. I really love playing with print. We could go with a solid color purse. With the jewelry, I decided to do multicolor, and when you look at the details on the hat, I added some pins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys were able to learn something from it and say, you know what, Money, I'm gonna add these to my ideas. And if you just like me and wear skirts and stuff like that, add to your look. I also want to add, that don't mean I'm holier than thou because I wear skirts, okay? That I just wear skirts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment anything, any questions you have, any looks that you want to see next, please let me know. I got y'all. But yeah, be blessed, y'all.